Good morning, class. After completing 11th A, we will do our next exercise. Before that, we will study property 2, exterior angle property of a triangle. What is this? If any side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. See this figure. If any side of a triangle, any side, let अगर हम AC को एक्सटेंड करते हैं तो जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल फॉर्म्ड होता है इसकी वैल्यू हमेशा इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल के सम के इक्वल होगी. ठीक है, दिस इज अवर प्रॉपर्टी. वी कैन यूज दिस प्रॉपर्टी डायरेक्टली इन अवर क्वेश्चन बाय सिंपली राइट एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ triangle. Okay, so come see this example. 130 is equal to sum of 60 plus x. See, 130 is equal to 60 plus x. You can simply write this exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, come to exercise 11th B. Okay, question number 1. You have to find this value of x. You can write 70 is equal to x plus 30 degree by the exterior angle property. So subtract 70, 30 degree, you will get your answer, that is 40 degree. Okay, for the B part, A is equal to 35 plus 50. For the C part, Y is equal to 30 plus 45. Okay, you can simply use the property exterior angle property. See, these are the solutions of these questions. For the fourth part, 100 is equal to x plus 70. You have to draw all the figures from the book. I have do only the solution of these questions. So draw figure from the book. It's mandatory. Okay, question number 2. Again, you have to find now these are two unknown variables. Firstly, you will find y by the linear pair, then by the angle sum property. Okay, you can simply use the exterior angle property. X is equal to 40 plus y. ठीक. Next question for the B part. For the B part, use the angle sum property. For the Z, okay, you find the Z angle sum property. Then 100 is equal to x plus 75. You will get your x. Then next you will use linear pair. You will get your y. Okay. For the third part, this is vertically opposite angle, linear pair, then third angle by the exterior angle. Then again vertically opposite angle. This is simply find initially exterior angle property. This is your exterior angle property. Then use the vertically opposite angle. Then you can use exterior angle property. Again you will get your value of x. Okay. Then question number 3. One of the exterior angle is 100. Two interior angles are equal to each other. Okay. So you can see this is the figure. Question number 3. Exterior angle 100 equals, so 100 is equal to x plus x, 2x then divided by means each angle is of 50 degree. Okay, for the question number 4, angles are, this is not, let the angles not equal. Let the angles be 2x and 3y. So by the exterior angle property, 130 degree is equal to 2x plus 3y, then 5x. You will get the value of x. After that, you have to find angles of the triangles, means all three angles of the triangle. So 2x, 3x are the two angles. Then for the third angle, you have to use the angle sum property. Subtract these two angles from the 180 degree. You will get your third answer, your third angle. Okay. Now come to question number 5. You have to draw figures from the book. It's very important. For the question number 5, first part, you have to find this angle by the angle sum property. Then this angle vertically opposite, you will get your third angle. Okay. Then for this you can simply use the exterior angle property. 11x minus 60 is equal to sum of these two angles. You will get your value of x. Then you can find these. Okay, you have to just find the value of x. No need to find these angles. Just find the value of x. Put the equation 11x minus 60 is equal to 3x plus 40 plus 4x. Solve this equation. You will get your value of x. Okay, next question. Firstly, find this angle. This is